Remember those avocado green ovens and butter yellow refrigerators? They were more than just appliances. They were a statement of style and a reflection of the era's unique aesthetic. Retro kitchen gadgets weren't just tools. They were icons of design, blending form and function in ways that were both practical and visually appealing. Today, these vintage appliances inspire a curious blend of nostalgia and amusement. Modern kitchens often incorporate these retro designs, creating a bridge between the past and the present. We chuckle at their simplicity, yet marvel at their ingenuity. These gadgets remind us of a time when innovation was just beginning to transform everyday life. They represent a bygone era, a time when kitchens were the heart of the home. Families gathered around these appliances, creating memories and sharing meals. These gadgets weren't just colorful, they were revolutionary. They brought a splash of color and a sense of excitement to the kitchen. The post-war boom ushered in an era of innovation. New materials and technologies were being developed, leading to a wave of new kitchen appliances. Households embraced new technologies that promised convenience and efficiency. These advancements made daily chores easier and more enjoyable. Let's journey back in time to explore the evolution of three kitchen staples: microwave ovens, blenders, and coffee makers. These appliances have come a long way, transforming from simple gadgets to essential kitchen tools. A product of accidental discovery. In 1945, Percy Spencer, an engineer at Raytheon, noticed a chocolate bar melting in his pocket near a radar magnetron. This serendipitous event sparked the invention of the radar range, the first commercial microwave oven. These early microwaves were massive, expensive, and found primarily in restaurants. Today's microwaves are compact, affordable, and ubiquitous in kitchens worldwide. Early models focused solely on heating. Modern versions offer grilling, convection cooking, and even voice control. The Waring blender, introduced in the 1930s, quickly became a kitchen essential. Its streamlined design and powerful motor made it a marvel of the time. From milkshakes to soups, the Waring blender opened up a world of culinary possibilities. Early blenders were often single-speed appliances with limited functionality. Modern blenders sport multiple speeds, pre-programmed settings, and powerful motors that can pulverize ice and nuts with ease. The evolution of the blender reflects our desire for versatility and efficiency in the kitchen. Before the electric coffee maker, brewing a decent cup of coffee was a laborious process. It required patience, skill, and a keen eye to ensure the water temperature was just right. Many households relied on manual methods, which often meant standing by the stove, carefully monitoring the brew. Enter the percolator, a stovetop device that cycled boiling water through coffee grounds. This ingenious invention simplified the process, allowing for a more consistent brew. The rhythmic bubbling of the percolator became a familiar sound in many kitchens. While innovative for its time, the percolator often produced bitter, over-extracted coffee. The constant cycling of water through the grounds could lead to an overly strong and sometimes unpleasant taste, a common complaint among coffee enthusiasts. The introduction of the automatic drip coffee maker in the 1960s revolutionized the coffee experience. This new technology offered a more precise and controlled brewing process, resulting in a smoother, more balanced cup of coffee. It quickly became a staple in households across the country. Today, we have an astounding array of coffee makers, from single-serve pod machines to sophisticated espresso systems. These modern devices cater to every preference, whether you enjoy a quick, convenient cup or a meticulously crafted espresso. The quest for the perfect cup of coffee has driven innovation and transformed our relationship with this beloved beverage. From the humble percolator to today's high-tech machines, each advancement has brought us closer to coffee perfection, enriching our daily rituals and enhancing our appreciation for this timeless drink. The evolution of kitchen gadgets is inextricably linked to changes in design and lifestyle. The 1950s embraced pastel hues, chrome accents, and a sense of playful optimism. Modern kitchens often feature sleek, minimalist designs with an emphasis on functionality and technology integration. Our relationship with food has also evolved. Time constraints and a desire for healthy options influence our appliance choices. Multi-functionality, energy efficiency, and smart features are now highly sought-after attributes. From the rudimentary microwave to the sophisticated blender, the evolution of kitchen gadgets has been nothing short of remarkable. The journey of kitchen gadgets mirrors our culinary evolution, reflecting the changes in our lifestyles and the advancements in technology over the decades. These appliances not only cater to our changing needs, but also showcase the leaps in innovation that have made cooking more efficient and enjoyable. From the early days of manual tools to today's smart devices, our kitchens have transformed dramatically. The nostalgic charm of retro gadgets reminds us of simpler times, evoking memories of family gatherings and traditional recipes passed down through generations. The constant innovation in kitchen technology promises to further revolutionize the way we cook, eat, and socialize in the heart of our homes. With each new gadget, we find new ways to explore our culinary creativity and enhance our dining experiences. As we marvel at the ingenuity of the past, we gain a deeper appreciation for the tools that have shaped our culinary journey. We can't help but wonder what culinary delights the future holds, as technology continues to push the boundaries of what's possible in our kitchens. The future promises even more exciting innovations that will transform our cooking and dining experiences in ways we can only imagine. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more fascinating stories about history, inventions, technology, and the secrets that shape our world.